There's a beauty. Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today's video, we're gonna be making crappie stew. I love saying that. I'm on the road, I'm at a friend's place. We did some fishing all day today out on his lake. We caught the right amount of crappie, some big crappie. This stew is based on an Eastern Carolina fish stew. Let's go ahead and get started. So this video was made underneath the quarantine rules and the panic buying that's going on right now underneath the coronavirus. Years from now, we'll look back on this, but right now those stores are running out of protein. You'll remember that. The protein in this cook is provided by our own hands out in nature. Nobody can stop us from getting it. Let's take a look at those ingredients. So you'll notice that I used crappie in this video for making the fish stew. That doesn't necessarily mean that that is the fish that you have to use. You could do this with bluegill. Might be a touch fishier tasting, but that would be a good resource and certainly more available during the summer months. As a matter of fact, traditionally it's striper that's used in making this, and I've also seen people purchase cod in the store. So I use pork jowls. I like the fat that comes off of it. As far as I'm concerned, these were already salt cured pork jowls. They had smoke flavor. I didn't have to add any salt because the salt from those jowls, those dry cured jowls, comes right back up in. I don't have to add salt. If you're using regular bacon, I recommend thick cut, and you want to taste to see if it's got the flavor and the salt that you like. If you don't like that, you may have to add to it. First, we'll go ahead and fry the pork jowls. Now we add in those onions. And this creates the most incredible aroma. For this part of the cook, you want to add in your favorite hot flavor. I actually prefer habanero, but for this cook, I'm going to take it down a notch for the people that will be eating this, so I'm using sriracha. Probably what takes the longest in this video is waiting for those potatoes to get done. Sometimes it seems like it takes an eternity. At this point, we're going to be adding in the fish meat and the eggs. We've got this on a slow rolling simmer, and it's heated up to the heat that it needs to be. The potatoes are done. And when you add that fish meat in, you let it cook for another 20 minutes at this level, and that will get your meat and your eggs to the perfect doneness. Not too much, a little bit of tenderness. If you've got a favorite fish that you like to use in this recipe, please make a comment down below what your experience is with the other types of fish. This is meant to be served with a white bread or your regular sandwich bread, but it's meant to be served with white bread for dipping in. I like that patty of butter in the middle. It kind of mixes nice with the bread and just tops off that flavor. They come out perfect right at the end of those 20 minutes. The eggs, just as soft and creamy inside as can be. You pick your whatever fish you have available to mix into this, and I'm telling you, even the fish haters will wind up enjoying this stew. This is also a Lodge Bloom Series cast iron Dutch oven. If you like it, some of the links below, you can get the equipment that I use in this video. So YouTube says that this video is perfect for your viewing habits. This is my latest upload, and over here is another playlist of videos you'll enjoy. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.